Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone having a good weekend. Looking for an amazing trading day. That's what we do every day, and we'll do that tomorrow. I love saying that. Oh, man, it's like golf. I think about trading all the time, but I rarely get to go do it. I get to do it only 20, 30 minutes a day, an hour a day. I really would love to trade all the time, but I can't. I think about it all the time. Golf, oh my gosh, I think about it all the time, dude. I can't play it all the time, but when I play it, I'm really good at it because I love it. I think about it all the time. So when it's time to go, it's time to go. You know what I'm saying? I tweeted that. That was a pretty good announce. Oh, Mojo makes money like that, like Bugs Bunny. This is one of the beautiful swing trades that we had this month from the 525 newsletter. My lips aren't totally syncing with the let's see if I could fix it. So I think I have it on here. Here, there it is. So if I delete them all. So this is the swing pick right here, guys. So if I delete all the things and then I add it back in, sometimes like that, it's bad. Espresso. So this is a 525 swing pick. So last weekend, XPSA, we bought it twice. The first time was 45 cents and the next time was 88 cents to move through $1. And it sure did. I'll show you what it did. Let's try one more time. Test. So I'm going to do it without the camera for this evening, and that'll be even better. So right here is XPSA, and let's take a look at XSPA. Espresso Group is $2.37. The first swing newsletter it was in was right here at 47, and then we picked it again at 88. So if you were in the swing trade newsletter, you definitely got this one. Espresso at 88, and the date was 5/22 for the 525 newsletter. We sold it. It came back down. Going to play the move back up. So we sold it from 47 cents to $1.05. See that? Pick at 47 cents from the 511 newsletter. Sold it at $1.05 and it came back down. Came back down to 88 cents. This was the original one at 47 cents. Right here. Holds intellectual property portfolio applications covering telecom infrastructure and internet search. 510 pick at 47 cents. And the stock right now is $2.37. It's a pretty good pick. This is the Mojo Swing model portfolio right here. And it goes back all the way. One of my picks tonight, I think, was one of my first picks. Let me see if it was in here in December of 2012. There it is. Can you believe it, dudes? My first pick ever in the swing trade newsletter right here on 12/31 of 2012. is researched pick tonight. I'll show you one of them for the swing newsletter that's going out. Here it is. My Tech Systems. Look at it. Can you believe this stock? $10.37. It's traded 939,000 shares. It's up 155% in increase in volume. So this is what I'm looking at right here. It's got 40 million in the float, increased earnings estimates up 14% and 23%. It's got a 1050 mark right there, a 982 moving up in over 10 right there. Base here at 890 range, 87 relative strength. 1, 2, 3, 4 good quarters of earnings. Got a nice one here. MITK going to move above 1050 and make an all new time high, touch 11 and go way, way, way up. So MITK, guys, I picked it here a long time ago with Facebook. 194 shares of Facebook at 25. Put $5,000 and 2,500 into the little ones, $5,000 into the big ones. See that? Beautiful, beautiful. So I knew that one would have been on there tonight. And you can scroll through all the years. 8 years times 12 months. Now have not had a losing month in the newsletter since I started it. That's 8 years times 12 months is 96 consecutive months in a row without a loss, losing month in the newsletter. Averaging 90% win rate every month for 8 years. It's a pretty good win rate. Absolutely.
That's awesomely sweet.
Yep. So here's the picks we're in right now. We have 3 of them. From the 11:15 newsletter, Crone. Guys, I'm not going to show you myself and 10, 15 other traders' statements. There's no reason to do that. Because I could show you 25 great scorecards in golf. Doesn't mean you're going to shoot good golf. Either you got game, that's not a really great analogy. What a great analogy would be like JV, Pro Trader JV. It's taken him losing so many times. I'm just like, dude, just change it. Just try this. Don't even look. Just try it. And he looked and it worked. So now he's had 2 days of success. Proud of him on that, JV. See you tomorrow, JV. Get you in on that. So, guys, I could show you millions of dollars in profits. It wouldn't make any change in your mind. Mostly all the gurus out there, the big guys, they make a lot of money. Just like the large firms. It's not about one guy's profits. It's about everyone's profits. And everyone had Crone on 11:15 at 6. It's up a little bit. CGC in March at 1380. It's up a little bit. And ACB on 5/11 at 7. It's up a little bit. 100%. So we got 3 trades there now as an update. Going to do some covered calls on those. Average gains 11%. Let's see if this comes in now. Bink. Test. Terrible. Let me try it. See what these settings are. Let's try that. All right. Close enough, right? So here's the swing picks. We have the XSPA. It's doing really good. It's up 511%. So you may see some swing trade newsletters be talking about that pick. No way I'll trade it. Everybody that's out there that has done a video has done it on my swing pick after the fact. See this swing pick, DGLY? Tim Sykes just made a video, his best pick of 2020. I laughed. He bought it at 215 and sold it at 240. And immediately went to 285.3 and went... I mean, that's the big trade. What are you going to learn from that? That you're trading on emotions? I couldn't believe that video when I saw it. Then Ross was live tonight showing you he's made a freaking... my CPU utilization rate. Oh, golf's driving me, but I love golf. Golf's my savior. Oh, it's not, my CPU rate's not that bad, dude. I'm at 30%, 25%, 18% CPU right now. It's low. Just don't know what happened, what's going on with that webcam. It's bullshit. Oh, yeah, some good ones. We had a good day, good day, good day. So let me show you some other swing picks that we've got. Now, I've got My Little Pony. I have another stock that does concierge delivery services. I think that's going to be a pretty big avenue. Now, I've already done the research tonight. I'll tell you how many picks I have. Now, these picks that I'm coming out with tonight in the Swing Trade newsletter for my subscribers, just like these picks, will be this week's biggest NASDAQ winners, or even next week's. I'm very confident to say that. Very confident. Let me try an X split. This may work better because it's part of the this X split V cam. Let's see it start up. Bam. It's a little bit different, but it's the same. All right. GBTC's Bitcoin related. Never gonna sell it. The coins go up 30% just like that. 50%. They're due for a good 100% bounce. Bitcoin's gonna rip. Because once it touches 11, it goes right to 19. I know that. XSPA, already in it. You might hear it this week. You might see it on Yahoo. Let's take a look. Go to Yahoo. Let's see what we got. Zoom, early stages of a security deal with Google. The IPO market's back in full swing. Futures are up 73. Dow futures are up 160 Sunday evening as stock market looks to extend its rally. I'm so bearish on the market right now. It's crazy. I'm going to make a ton of cash this week. All my traders that follow my picks and listen to my voice, I'm going to make tons of cash this week. Just like that. Absolutely. Guys, the picks that I'm coming out with tonight are crazy good. Crazy good. AstraZeneca reporting. Here's some stocks. I will not Chinese stocks. I saw 10 good ones. Won't buy one Chinese stock ever again. If it ain't made in the USA, I ain't doing it. I ain't contributing to nothing out there. What else we got? Dow Jones, 3D printings, tackling big oil. All right, a lot of stuff talking about this and that, but nothing real concrete. You know why? Because they're all over the place. Shotgun approach. I have one industry group. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 picks. And I'm going to come out with my top 10 and my top 3 in tonight's newsletter as soon as I'm done. Anyone who's a subscriber and joins tonight, you're going to get the Swing Trade newsletter. That's one of the services. It's $149 a month. You're also going to get the other service, which is the MOJO Day Trading chat room. That also is $149 a month. Now you're going to get them both for $149. Buy one, get one free. And you're going to get my world famous MOJO Day Trading course. Dude, did you know Top Ship signed a deal for 11 cargo cruisers? It's up 50%. Look, 445 million shares traded on Top Ships. It's going to be a rocking rocket ship tomorrow. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did you know I already have SHIP? SHIP up 23% on 383 million shares right here. SHIP on 511, 14 cents. It's 17, soon to be 18. Soon to be 18. That's going to be a 28 center. It's going to go up 100%. That's SHIP. I got Solo, the electric car company, following Tesla and NIO. NIO rocketed in the last 2 months. Tesla rocketed in the last 2 months. So I knew about this other little car company called Electromechania Vehicles. You won't believe it. You know that little smart car? They make one even smaller. Check it out. You won't believe this little car. It's like a car that you drive around in France and stuff, like instead of a bicycle. Look at this little car. Let me show you. Look at this little car. That's it. Look. Right here. Watch the video. Isn't that cool, dude? The solo one right here. Isn't that cool? Red, black. The solo, dude. Make a statement, right? 2.5 charging. It's little electric car, dude. Little cruiser around the city. Nice, right? That's a cool one with the lights right there in the front. That's pretty cool. It's got a commute calculator. It's a pretty nice looking car, right? Get one with the Mojo on the side. Maybe I'll do that, right? So that's Electro Magno Cum Laude. Magna Cum Laude. So now you got ship. And you got this other stock, Foresight Auton. It went all the way to, we sold it. It went to $1.95. That means it got sold at $1.55. Let's scroll down. FSRX, see? $1.55. I told you. It's like clockwork, folks. See it? $1.55. Digital Alley, $1.85. Look at that, Tim Sykes. Sold $2.55, dude. Timmy. Nate came out with his watch list. He couldn't hold it any longer. American Airlines, I already sold it, brother. So many people are coming out with picks late in the game. Late in the game. LXP, look, let me show you. This, my competition. Check it out. Let me show you. This is funny. All right, let me shrink this a little bit. So this is Nate from Investors Underground. Right here. Those are people joining. When you hear that playing, that's someone that just signed up. So his watch list is American Airlines. I own American Airlines at 3. We bought it at 14. We collected $12.50 in premium. You're very late to the game. We bought the extreme dip when Boeing was 90. Boeing is 180, dude. You don't recommend Boeing now 100% higher. You just don't. You don't. You don't. Okay? So you're terrible to the game on that. Let's see what else you got. NCLH, dude, you're buying it right here. There's so much. What are you going to have? A little bit of break side on the up? Look at the downside, dude, on this stock. You're destroyed, dude. There's too much risk for reward. Bad pick. Bad pick. Next. CCL. Again, up here on the break, a terrible pick. Look at this drop down. Terrible pick. Carnival Cruise Lines. LK, give me a break, dude. It's up, used to be up here. Adjusted all the way down on fraud. It's down here for a reason, dude. It's a piece of shit. LK. There you go. Now look. XSPA. There you go. Why don't you recommend my stock at $3? We got in here at 40 cents, brother. You're so late to the game. Oh, look at his next one. FRSX, the one I just talked about. How funny in the world is that? And I didn't look at it. I promise, folks. I promise. I did not know he had XSPA and FRSX in tonight's fucking newsletter. What a joke. Oh, boy. And that's FRSX. So that's my other pick. That's a joke. Very late to the game. I picked it in over here. He's recommending it here. Give me a break, dude. Next one, CIDM. It already made its move. Next one is work. Terrible. It adjusted down here for a reason. It's going to go lower. Remark Media already made its moves. You had to be in over here. You don't buy it up here. Terrible. And that's, 15 other picks, dude. Look at all these picks. So he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 picks. I think he'll probably hit one of them. Wow. Here's my FSRX. I took a profit on at 86 at $1.55. He's recommending it. Here's my pick at $1 at 45 cents. Is $2.55. He's recommending it. It's already half closed. So when they buy it tomorrow, I'll sell the rest into them. SWBI is Smith & Wesson. Better get a gun. Someone's going to come rob you. Better get a gun. And Parcel Pay sold half of that too at 12. Solo, half of that. All these half closed. Here's American Airlines right here. ACB, all options. These are all options. Love it. Vuzi. Maybe Vuzi. Vuzi's a good company. Vuzi may go this week. You never know. You guys are sucking. 14.46. BioKey 75 cents is up 14%. It has a history of going really big. BKYI. BioKey International. Right here. See it? Could really go into fourth quarter earnings. It's a security company, biometric security, big in the future, dude. You know what movie I saw was pretty good? Player One. That was a pretty good movie about the future kind of stuff. Everyone lives in this Orion place in virtual reality. It's pretty cool. All right, what else we got going on? Digital Alley, 185 to 254. Let me show you Tim fucking, he sent out that one. Where is that? I put it in my trash. Right here, the best trading of 2020. I when I hear things, dude, I'm like, okay, Tim, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. What is it?
So many plays, DGLY.
DGLY. My pick. And he bought it. Watch where he bought it. And he sold it. That's weak.
Right now, 280. I just had a buy under 220. I sold it around 240.
He had a buy under 220, like 218, I guess. And he sold it for a 20-cent move.
It was looking like it was a little toppy. Now 280, just absolutely blasting off. This is what's going on in the market. For the week, I've made 54,000. This is my best trading week in years.
Okay, his best trading week in years, and he's a multi-majillionaire. All right, in years. That's a big statement, dude. In years. Every year and every week's the same. Once you make millions, you always make millions. You never have a best week in years. I never have a best week in golf. I play good golf. I shoot the same scores every single time. When I'm trading 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, depending upon what level it is, you only can make a certain amount each day. That's it. That's it. So it just adds up. And the rest are doing nothing. So I got 16 potentials tonight that I'm going to send out tonight in the newsletter that look really freaking good. Bitcoin's on the rise, dude, because the government freaking is hating Bitcoin. Bloomberg has forecast Bitcoin to reach 20,000 and possibly 28, according to the company's June crypto outlook. Something has to really go wrong for Bitcoin not to appreciate. It points to quantitative easing in the corona as the fuel behind Bitcoin's maturity, particularly when benchmarked against the falling stock market and crude. Both factors will cause the price of Bitcoin to rise. Last year, the high was 14,000, which would translate into a double in 2020 if rotating within the recent band. Bitcoin twice reached 10,000. Last time I looked, it was 9,700. What's it at right now? There's someone just joined. It's 9,753. It's looking really hot to trot. Bitcoin up 33% since the beginning of the year, is trading at 95.49 at press, describing it as a resting bull, highlighted that's increased institutional interest, the rising number of active BTC addresses. The report specifically mentions Grayscale, that's GBTC, the stock we own. Its aggressive crypto acquisitions, consuming 25% of all new minted Bitcoin in 2020. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is by far the largest crypto asset exchange instrument. It manages 340,000 Bitcoin on behalf of investors. And that fund has made managers incredible amounts of money because it manages 3.2 billion with a management fee, and Bitcoin's pretty damn stable, and they just keep on accumulating it. Guys, you want to see something? That's the biggest bunch of bullshit in the world. You want to see how easy, let's say a guy shows you, hey, look, I started right here with zero money, and and now it's $1 million. You know what I'm saying? You see that? You see that? Like Tim. Like that guy Tim who did that week trade. Now, if he's buying at 220 and selling at 240, how does he make $7 million? You think yourself like that? He's the first guy since 2012 when I started. He was doing it 5 years earlier. He has one or two students that have made $1 million. And I think he just gave him $1 million. This is what he did. He said, dude, I'm going to start you with $10,000. And right here, your account is 10 grand. And then look, he makes another deposit with you and he gives you more money to trade. $40,000 more. Because you're doing good, you're not losing his money. And dude, you got a 50 grand account. Dude, right here, Tim does really good on the internet, and he knocks off some blog activity and a deal with freaking Juji, and he gives you another $50,000. And right now you're at $100,000. You see, the growth is exponential of the portfolio. This guy must be making a ton of cash with the picks, right? Look at the growth. Then he gives you another 100 grand. Now then another 100 grand. Then another 100 grand. Another 100 grand. Look at the growth. Take out a little bit of something going. Look at the growth, and the thing goes straight up. Because he constantly, what are you going to put all your money in the bank? He's constantly putting money in the account. And that's why you see it growing. Well, it's not growing from the stock picks. Kidding me? Wake up, folks. Wake up, folks. Listen, what I did was I looked. Back in the day, I came out of college and I got involved in the financial industry. And there was a guy by the name of Said Moses. Yeah, Said. He was 24 years old. And he won the U.S. Investment Challenge that year. And then he won it again the next year. I said, whoa. This guy Said Moses, he could part the sea. He could make some good picks, Said Moses can. What is he doing? Oh, it's documented. He follows the Ken Slim system of picking stocks. Nice. What the heck is Ken Slim? Oh, David Ryan also won the U.S. Investment Challenge 4 years in a row. And he's a disciple of this guy named William O'Neill. And this system of picking stocks called the Ken Slim. I'm like, oh my gosh, I better go check that out. And I learned it. And it works. I didn't make it. I said, dude, look what these guys are doing. Picking $50 stocks going to 200. I'm going to pick little dollar stocks that are going to go to 3, 4, and 5. With smaller floats because they're more volatile. And when the volume comes in those, woo, they go, go, go.
That's correct. Awesome. Which has been nailed.
That's what we do. So that's the Ken Slim. All I did was copy the greatness. Did you know? I'll give you a great tip in golf. Okay. Back in I think it was 20 years ago or something, in Golf Digest, Arnold Palmer gave the best golf tip ever. One of the best ever. Van, you out there? You listening to this, Van? One of the best golf tips ever, Van. Best golf tips ever. So, what he did was, okay, he covered the ball with his chest, obviously, okay? And when he brought it back, okay, his left shoulder pointed at the ball. I want you to try that, okay? Always with your weight forward, okay? Right here like this, and get that stretch down and get that shoulder there. And then, poof, release, baby. You watch that rocket fly. You watch that baby compress. Oh, yeah. Try opening up XSplit, go to Tools, Settings, Audio, and the microphone, select Delay, MS, and put it at 1800. Dude, I like that. I tried that once. Let me try that again. Settings, microphone, delay. MS 1800. It's a big number. Apply. Okay. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Does that work better? I did it. I don't know if it works. Maybe. Cool. So yeah, dude. So you should go out and try it. If Arnold Palmer tells you it's amazing and he does it, he's the best and it works, try it. I did it. It works. William O'Neill and the Ken Slim. They did it. It works. I tried it. I've been doing it for 30 years. That's all I do. I could show it to you. All you got to do is join. I think I got a couple people that joined tonight. I heard some blink blinks. Let me see. Usually I only get blink blinks when someone joins. Philly, welcome back. Guy, welcome back. Welcome, Guy. Mr. Hope. Nice. And you subscribe. You, the big dog. Ashok. Welcome. Trader Apura. I got a couple new guys. Welcome to the room. Mr. Boggs. Been a customer for Trader Alpha. How long you been with me, Alpha? You've been with me for 6 years, maybe? 6 years, I think. Why? Because the picks work. You've been doing the same thing for 6 years. It's worse. There you go. Nah. There was no delay already on. It's just, sometimes it comes in clear, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see what else we got going on. Covered all them swings, dude. Covered that Bitcoin. What is that Bitcoin at? 97.60 tomorrow, maybe over 10,000 when you wake up, boys. You know, it just does that. It just makes a spike. Watch. Let me load up, let's see. How about... Here it is. So check out this, baby. So this is the Coinbase Pro. It's 97.62. Look at the spike right here. It just goes, dude. Right here, see, it's just going boom. See right here, you could change it. So it goes by dollars. 97.62 by 63. Right in that range. They got what else they got? Ethereum. Also same move. They all make the same moves. It's beautiful. Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Dash. Love Dash. One of my favorites. Where's Dash? Link. XLM, Stellar Lumens, one of my favorite. Dash too, made a nice little cup and handle, ready to rock. Ready to rock. Let's see if I can get a longer time frame. That's it, a day. Terrible charts. I thought Coinbase would have better charts. They don't. All right. So I'm going to send out the swing newsletter, guys. I'm going to get everyone situated. I am pumped for tomorrow. Futures are up 59, means nothing. You know what that means? It's going to be a UVXY kind of day. Love trading my UVXY tomorrow, guys. Right here. See it? 27.55, down 8%. See that $2.43? We be up $2.43 tomorrow. So if it starts out at 43 cents, we got $2 to go. What if it starts out at $1? We got $1.43 to go. What if it's up $1.50? We got $1 to go. It was try 500. Yeah, let's try it, bro. Let me try it, man. Delay. 500. Apply. Okay, done. There you go. Now I got it done. Applied there. Terrible. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All of a sudden, I'll have magic. I'll have magic all of a sudden. It'll work. But yeah, man, my thoughts on VAL, I'll take a look for you. I saw it. Valaris, 93 cents on 162. Volume, 137 million. What about it? I ain't too pleased. I have 17 picks myself that are much, much better. So I got to get ready and send those picks out. Thank you for joining, guys. I'm going to send you all an email with instructions to get in on the course, sending out the newsletter, sending you out access to the MOJO Day Trading chat room, and I'll see you all in the morning for the MOJO Day Trading show and the morning watch list. We're going to be hot to trot, and if you're not going to have time for that, make sure you watch my website. And if you go to MOJO Day Trading, here's the buy one, get one free right on the homepage, guys. Go to watch list up here at the top. Right there. You'll nail them. Look, XSPA at $1.40. Closed $2.37. Up $1.54. Dude, it was picked the other day on my watch list, dude. Everyone sees my watch list. Oh, let's send out Mojos, dude. Know what I'm saying? Look, CIDM, he picked that one. Dude, it's already done. It's last week's shit. One industry. I have 17 picks in one industry. I don't care what you pick. J.C. Penney could be the hottest thing since sliced bread. But if retail's the last industry group out of favor, it ain't doing nothing. I don't care if you got the hottest piece of coal burning. If coal's a shitty industry, it ain't doing nothing. You got to be what's hot. And I got an industry group tonight that's going to be explosive this week. So you got to get in on the newsletter, and I'll see you all in the morning. So guys, at the end of my video, you'll see a couple of other videos pop up. Be sure to watch them, and be sure to tune in the morning and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you then, guys. Thank you so much. Peace.